last time Okay, so here we are inside of the Mlenga family once again. The last time we came here, pretty much of the work was done from outside where they had a refreshing garden from where there was some sumptuous meals that were given to us when we last came here. Let's just get to where we were, Shadrach.
Thank you.
So this is what brought us here the last time. Just in case people missed out the last time, what is this?
This is a 4-plate cooker. Kerosene, using kerosene, but at the same time, it can able to produce electricity. I was using it. It uses kerosene to power up the entire plates, and at the same time, it can able to produce electricity. So last time I made this, it was just a prototype. But this time around, if you can give me support, I can make something useful now in future.
The actual product.
The actual product, yes.
We were here, and obviously you can see over our voices what this thing was able to do and what it is able to do. We'll start with your contact again, just in case there's somebody that feels they can give you support. Which number can they get you on?
Okay, you can call me on 0979 0974 44 0400. 0974 44 0400.
Great. Now, this is not what has brought us back into this house. You will check it out a little later. But let me just show you around. As you look around the house, there's a lot of creativity. The house is incomplete. They are still working on it. And as you can see, the wiring itself is unique. It's not that wiring that we usually are accustomed to. So here we are. What we have here is something to do with electricity, but there's a battery at the bottom which shows you that, wow, something is happening. Maybe you get on the other side, yes, and then tell us what's happened. What do we have here?
This is an inverter, man-made inverter by Shadrach Mlenga, myself, this one, it converts energy from battery from DC to AC the way inverters do, but this one, it's man-made. As you can see, even the piece board, it's man-made. After it, this one, at input, it's 12 volts, and then outlet or output, it's 240 volts. So this one, it can able to power light there, radios, television, soldering gun, at least one fridge. It can work.
So this is what you use here?
Yes.
From 12 volts to
240 volts.
Wow, this household is blessed. So in the meantime, as you look around connecting Zesco power, this is what you have worked on as an innovator.
Yes.
To make sure that your house does have power. So the inverter that you've made is from a motor. I can see this motor is from the inside of a what?
A radio.
That's a radio motor.
Yes, and then this one resistors and capacitors, MOSFET there, just collected from the scrap of the ordinary television. I moved some resistors to come up with this piece board you see here, and it can work like when I want to switch off. You can see the light is on there.
Good, nice one.
So this one, not only the right, but I can still connect here. There is an adapter here coming here.
Oh, there's even an extension cable,
yes, an extension
all the way
cable.
to here. Wow.
Yes. You
Okay.
can, like this. This one, it can enable after all. It can power everything.
That's a radio there.
Yes, this is a radio.
And then there's a television as well.
Yes, and the television there. Just that this one it doesn't work.
Okay,
So
cool.
yes.
Wow, wow, amazing. So that's what has brought us back here, because this guy, out of the 12 volts, is able to amplify it using his own innovations there, putting the broken down pieces of electronics together to produce 240 volts, which is able to light his sound system, his television set, and keep up with the news and current affairs. Other than that, wow, he's got something at the bottom. Stay with us. I see you already nodding your head to say that this is certainly Zambian genius. Zambian genius, we do totally agree with you from the outset. Now, we have seen our children play around with certain robotics. We've been to Kwambasela, Kwakanyama. We found a young man that's winding up his secondary school, and he gave us a combat motor vehicle. Yes, and he has a remote control as well, propelled. But today, in the same line, we speak an ant, Kanyelere. Yes, but that one replicated into a robot. Ever seen one? Maybe you can start buying yourself one. Here we are on the table. This is the ant robot that we have come for. How he made it, we have no idea. First of all, let's talk about the components of this ant robot.
Okay. The components. This ant-robot, it uses only wire, simple, local things that you throw away. Audio, DVDs, getting the scrap there. And then wires, as you can see, plastics and reeds. Out of that, I came up with this robot. This robot is not just a robot for for young children, but this one, it can able to work in industries and other special areas where there is
like dangerous places to work. You can send this robot to go there.
There instead of
using
human. A long time ago, we were using just human effort, even to dig, to pick, to work in industries. But this time around, we can use the robot to command it to do everything that you want.
Okay.
Done here in Zambia.
Good. So the designs and everything, it's you that came up with this?
Yes.
Okay, I see you have a remote already. Put it down. Okay. I know that my viewers need to see. It's a little heavy though.
It's
wow.
Heavy.
It's heavy.
Yes, it's
what
heavy.
makes it too heavy? Okay, so that's what you get at the bottom.
Yes.
Look at that. So there's a lot of detail given to this anti-robot. A lot of those. Tell us, what is this? What part of the electronics is this? And from which component? DVD?
DVD, this one is from DVD, this one is soft wires, Mangishi, we call it Mangishi, soft, yes, I built this one so that it can at least do one
or two things. So, these are wires.
These are wires.
Then the design itself, it looks like an ant for real. This is where obviously the name comes from, isn't it?
Yes,
anti-robot.
yes.
So, then this is what?
This one, it works like this. This one, it holds, it is flexible.
Okay. This is like a hand
yes.
of, for example, a caterpillar for those that load.
Yes.
Front end loaders. It loads into it. Okay,
like
cool. All right. Then let's go this side before we turn there. Let's come back here. What do we have on the other side? There's an extension cable here.
Yes, since I don't have a remote, wireless remote, but in future maybe I can. One of the people, I believe, they can help me to buy a robot, a wireless remote instead of using this. But this time around, since I don't have just used it. Cabling, yes, remote.
So look at the way the remote is made. So this is man-made remote.
Man-made remote.
What do we have in there?
We have a battery, 3.7 battery.
Battery of what?
Of a phone.
Okay.
A phone, mobile phone. And then this one is reeds the one we throw
the
after
tops.
drinking,
yes.
Whatever. Yes, bottle tops. And then this one, this one. It's a button. When I press here to make this, it is moving. Even this, the remote itself, you can see it's cheaper. I've just. I'm
just thinking of how you were able to tell that if you put these things together, they'll start communicating to this and control it. That's my thinking. And this is where the ingenuity obviously comes in, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so let's put it on the table. Look at it carefully, viewers. So we have a remote control purely made by Shadrach from scratch, not bought from anywhere. He puts the pieces together, he makes a remote control, but it's attached to this one. As you can see, he feels like if capacity given to him, he can be able to break it down and create a wireless remote control. In the meantime, it's cabled to the ant robot. Now, this is where the actual demonstration gets to kick in.
Okay, this is now the remote. How I'll demonstrate how it works. Like then, if you want to, you can see.
Hey, did you see that? No. Wow. These are like the gears. The way we see that caterpillar when they are making a road,
yes.
They have certain gears to lift up the shovel, we can say. Wow. So you have how many buttons? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Yes.
On the other side, and then you have 1, 2, 3.
3, 4. And
4.
The one which it can go like this. This one, it works like this.
That's a hand. When you have packed it, it's like that. Okay.
So this one, it works like
to control the neck.
The neck. As you can see, it's very flexible here. Yes. So
this one has got me. Okay. So this one, that's for the neck, and then this one.
This one, it's for
the hand.
For the hand, it's flexible. And then this one, it's to control where you are. Maybe there is
you want it to go anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise, there.
Wow. Oh, up and down, then there, round, then.
These are teeth.
Oh, these are for the teeth.
So,
okay, this is great. Look at that. Okay, let's have it move now. Move forward.
Okay.
Look. No, I've just realized one thing. The glass is too.
It's too slippery.
Yeah.
So this is how.
Wow.
The
ant
robot is moving. So if you want, like, you can see when I want to make it turn like this.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm just trying to perfect the robot if I were to make it in bigger size, so that this one it can able to move properly, and then you can see here it can even pick anything. I can demonstrate.
Yes.
Okay.
Let me pick something.
Yeah, I think a cardboard. Where is the cardboard? Let me just get a cardboard.
So he's going to demonstrate it's going to pick something from somewhere within here. Don't worry about proving from somewhere else. So right now let's put the card box somewhere. Put it just there in front. Okay?
Yes. Here. Yes. So after all, I can just do this.
Okay.
Moves a bit.
Moves a
and
bit
then
closer.
closer.
Then the gear for the teeth.
The teeth.
Okay.
We'll
For
start
the
now.
handle. Okay, cool. There it goes. Nice one. Almost ready to grab. Okay, there. Okay. Anti-robots. So, that's what we are capable of doing. Wonderful display over there. Wow. All right. So, I don't know what to say. Give me that. This is wonderful. The last time that we came, you told me you were fresh out of grade 12.
Yes.
What are you doing now?
Right now, I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for anyone who can help me, to push me or to support me over this.
To get you into school if you have to.
Yes.
It would be wonderful to have.
Because not only this, I can make things that Zambia can benefit, our nation can benefit. Not everywhere we just import even a simple robot you have to import from China. No, let's work together. If we work together, you help me, then I'll be able to be impressed or motivated. You motivate me through helping. Then I can able to make different things, not only this, but this one I just showed that I can do it.
Great. You spoke about out of school. Did you get good points?
Yes, I got good points.
Okay.
I passed. Yes.
That's all I wanted to know. The rest is up to everyone out there. Let's nurture this knowledge. If you are able to give him a push back into school, coming from a humble background such as this, but with this spectacular knowledge, we can be able to see this man contribute in the engineering sector of our country. Big question lies. Are Zambians creative? Big question answered. Yes. Where did you see it? On the Zambian Genius.